For those of you who've been following, you know the Walker Parker team sells a lot of condos in the Hunt Club, one of Markham's best condominium buildings. And when we get to list something like this stunning Hampshire model, we get extremely excited for the lucky buyers who will get to make this their new home.
Welcome to Suite 615 at the Hunt Club, featuring over 2,000 square feet of updated living space, engineered hardwood flooring throughout, spacious rooms that fit full house-size furniture, which so many condos lack, and something that very few condos in the entire GTA have, a real gas fireplace. 2 large bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a large separate den, open balcony, spacious living and dining rooms that can easily host your entire family, and resort-like amenities that will make you feel like you're living in a hotel.
The all-inclusive maintenance fees even include your cable and internet. Ready to make the move to a 5-star living? Then come on over and take a look.
Hi, I'm Tony Sachdev, and I'm so pleased to be working with the Walker Parker team on this listing. If you're interested in taking a look at this beautiful suite and all the amenities that the Hunt Club has to offer, feel free to reach out to us, or to arrange your private showing, contact us. Better yet, we're doing an open house this Sunday, March 3rd from 2 to 4 p.m. Come join us. I'll show you everything that this beautiful building has to offer.